All right, family. So today, check out the home right behind me. This one, it's priced at $399,000. It actually blew my mind when I saw it this morning online, and I'm like, let me just show my friends and show you guys what type of inventory we're having here in the Dallas area. To be specific, we're gonna be 30 minutes east, which is by the Heartland side. Right now, I don't even know how they're profitable, to be honest with you. I want to show you the full tour. I want to start you off from the exterior and then show you the interior and also talk a little bit more about the numbers. So this is going to be the exterior. It might be a little windy. I do have a mic, but it might still be windy, so I'm going to try to share this with you. But check it out. A beautiful two-story home. This is going to be about 2,700 square feet. As you can see, you're going to have a pond right next walking distance. So I see a lot of people that love walking, that just love to have a neighborhood that's more more family friendly. This is the one. Check it out. Beautiful, beautiful two-story home. I want to show you the interior. The interior is gonna blow your mind. Usually, there's not that many builders like this one that are building this affordable. Usually, more semi-custom builders build a little bit more expensive just because it costs them. But I think at this price point, they're probably taking a loss. We're gonna be looking at a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, plus an office. So I want to show you from the start. All right, this would be a little hallway, some shelf space right here. This would be the office space. We got the French doors as well. Nice 2 windows. This would be the office space where all the money is going to be made. This is going to be a half bath. So just like I said, it's 3.5. This would be the half. And then we'll be back in the hallway. This is where we pretty much start. The stairs are going to be to our left as well. We're going to be checking upstairs really shortly here. This is going to be some more attic space. Not attic, but just storage space. I do like it, especially for me that I have pets. I feel like I will probably use that more for like pets, the pets a little bit, and then probably like poke a little hole there so they can go in and out. Really like that space. And check it out. Before I show you those beautiful 18-foot ceilings, I want to show you here. This is gonna be the little mud bench here, mud room area. That's gonna be your laundry space. And here we're gonna have the 2-car garage, which also comes with sprinkler system. That is always good to have. Really nice finished out 2-car garage. If you see in my videos, some builders don't finish out the car garage. In my opinion, I think it's pointless to not finish it out because obviously you're paying so much money. But this builder is going to finish out the garage for you. All right, so check it out. That's what we're talking about. $399,000 for something like this. It almost makes me want to buy it myself. Honestly, I'm really thinking about buying this one myself just because of how good it actually is for the price point. Usually we see a lot of homes that have been overpriced, but this one, I don't really think that they're making that much profit on this one. 2,700 square feet, beautiful, open to the low ceilings. Check out the kitchen. In my opinion, it's not the biggest kitchen, but it still does the work. It's pretty nice. So you still have some really nice appliances here. You have little 4-burner. Then we also have the vent hood. That's the other thing I do like about it. I've seen a lot of builders that put the microwave on this, but just having a vent hood that actually vents it out outside makes it so much better. Check out the appliances. These are going to be pretty much new appliances that are built in. And you also have the dishwasher here. So where the fridge would go. This is the pantry. Not bad space for a pantry. This is another view. Really nice. That would be the little dining area. I do love how many windows we have on this home. And also that's like a little bench to put some, for more people to sit as well. So that's really good. Check out the backyard. Nice covered patio. Beautiful, beautiful backyard. Let me know what y'all think about this backyard. Is this good enough for you guys? Y'all need more? I think, if I'm not mistaken, this might be about a quarter of an acre altogether. Maybe a third of an acre actually. But that's gonna be more than enough backyard. Usually if you have big pets, you can just keep throwing the ball until they get tired. You don't even have to walk them anymore. Same thing with kids, you know? You can build a nice playground back there. Or if they play ball, they're gonna get tired. So, all right, so let's check out this side. This is gonna be the primary bedroom. We're gonna have two doors that's gonna bring us to the primary bedroom. And you have a nice little bench area there as well. Really, really nice, a lot of windows. This builder actually puts in the tub. How we look at that, actually put in the tub. Some nice tile. This tile is a little outdated, in my opinion. It's not the worst, but they still did it really good. Made the whole bathroom look really nice. And it actually makes sense. Nice frameless shower. I do like how they put the steps down. I don't know if in camera you can see it, but it's pretty much a step down on the slab. So if you have any leaks, it's not gonna come out, which I really like. You have a little nice bench there. This is the toilet room. The closet's not the biggest. It's definitely not the biggest, but you know, for 399,000, I think it's definitely doable. And again, it's just really the upgrades that I'm seeing here that are actually making this home worth it. All right, so we can head upstairs. I want to show you upstairs. Down payment for something like this, you're gonna be looking at around maybe 18,000 to 17,000. Monthly payment would come out around 3,000 or so, depending on which lender you use. Might be a little bit higher, but monthly payment would definitely be around the 3,000s, which is still really good for this quality of home. This would be the game room, and then this is another view at the staircase. Nice little game room. So we can start here. This is gonna be bedroom number 2. One thing I do like about this bedroom, it actually has a full bathroom. Full bath here. Perfect. And then this is the closet. Oh no, this is more for towels. Interesting. So that right there makes it the whole room in the bathroom. So it's like an in-suite type of home. And this the bedroom. The closet space is not the biggest, but it does the work. I want to show you guys the neighborhood. Really nice neighborhood. You really can't go wrong with here. This is going to be in Heartland. So Heartland, it's pretty much a big master plan neighborhood. Has all the pools, playgrounds, walking trails, fishing ponds. Everything is in this neighborhood. Has some really nice amenities. This is going to be bedroom number 3. Nice size closet here. Can't complain about this closet size. Ain't the biggest, but it still does the work. And another room that's gonna have its own bathroom. I really, really like this. A lot of people always ask us, hey, can we get some homes with bedrooms that have bathrooms? So the bedroom is here. This is the bathroom, 2 sinks. But this door actually brings us back to the main game room. And here we're gonna find bedroom number 4. This bedroom's not gonna have any bathroom access, any direct bathroom access. It is gonna be a little bit small, I'll tell you that. It's probably around 10 by 10. And the closet space, oh, it's a little tiny for my liking. But y'all let me know in the comments if y'all think that's enough space for like kids or just teenagers. So usually I have a lot of moms that always tell me, no, that's definitely not enough space for my teenagers, but let me know what y'all think about that. But I want to show you the game room a little bit more. And this is going to be the game room. I love homes that have the high ceilings that are just pretty much open to below, because you guys could be watching the sports, watching a movie here, asking your wife to bring you the snacks, the drinks, and take a look at it. Big windows there. They're like 8-foot windows. Really, really nice home. If y'all are interested on coming to tour this one's only discounted for limited time only. If you guys call me in about 4 months or so many, I can always look and see to check if there's any more like these. But these are just limited time only. So if you see this and you're like, Rigo, I want to go take a tour, you can simply send me a message. You can text me directly at my phone number. Now that you made it to the video, you can tell me, Rigo, I watched your full video, and this is my name, and I'm ready to go take a tour to this weekend. Let me know. My phone number is 214-713-4398. You guys can send me a message first. I get a lot of spam calls, so calls I'm not usually able to answer them right away, but I can definitely get to your text message. So if y'all like this or want something similar, feel free to let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out.